Working at home became our new normal since 2020. Sitting for long hours in front of the computer screen has become our usual thing. Without a proper chair for you to sit comfortably, may give you discomfort, distraction, or even demotivation to finish the things you need to do for the day. Hi, I'm Geronimo, and for today's video, I will share with you my experience using an ergonomic chair after almost a year of using a small stool or lying in our bedroom for work. Yes, I worked last year sitting on this small laundry stool. For starters, my ergonomic chair is the Sihoo m57 from Calvin Koo. I'll put the link in our description box below. You can also check Noku Furnitures and Fornitura on Facebook as well. This is not a sponsored video, guys. I just love how this Sihoo m57 helped me to be more productive and inspired to shoot more videos, to shoot more vlogs, to finish my everyday work, and even watch movies comfortably. Since Sihoo m57 is an in-demand ergonomic chair, due to its build quality, features, and price, there's a need to reserve for you to be able to secure a stock if you really want to get this chair. I tell you guys, it's worth it. The Sihoo m57 is very well packed. It arrives in my place without any damage, so I'm thankful to Calvin Koo for handling the product safe. The box dimensions are 77 by 34 by 67 centimeters, able to fit in the trunk of a sedan lying downward. While the entire box is 22 kilograms, it's not that heavy but not that light. It can be lifted by a single person. The box consists of the following parts: headrest, backrest, seat, a pair of armrests, metal seat mechanism part, aluminum star base, gas lift, casters, screws with a free Allen wrench. The Sihoo m57's aluminum base gives a steady and durable feel, while the base of the back and seat rest are both made of solid plastic. The Sihoo m57 is a mesh-type ergonomic chair, so air flows freely in its back and seat for extra comfortability while working for long hours in front of your desk. The headrest is made of mesh and thick plastic. It can be adjusted up to 10 cm high, and the angle can also be turned 45 degrees onto the opposite direction. The backrest build consists of double thick back frames that is very sturdy and durable. The backrest design enables the user to sit on an upright, comfortable position that provides focus in protecting the vertebral. Its backrest can be adjusted within 90 to 120 degrees for various working positions. The seat, which is its selling point, is made out of double layer mesh that is very elastic, strong, and ventilating. The front end of the seat consists of a memory foam where the thighs can rest comfortably for a long time. I also love how flexible its lumbar support is. You can adjust its height and depth to suit your lumbar support needs. It can be adjusted 3 cm inward and outward depth. The height can also be raised 5 cm upward from its base position. The armrest is designed with a comfortable cushion material that is soft on our elbows. Since it's 3D adjusted, it can be adjusted in 3 ways. The height, which can be raised up to 7 cm from its base adjustment. The sideways angle, which can be shifted in a 36 degrees angle left or right. And lastly, the forward and backward adjustment, which can be moved 7 cm forward and backward. The included castors are designed to be thick and smooth to prevent scratches on the floor, while the gas lift allows the chair to increase and decrease its elevation to match with your working desk height. In terms of colorways, we have 3 color variants for this Sihoo m57. The black frame and the black mesh, which is ito, gamit ko ngayon. Meron ding black frame with gray mesh. And lastly, meron ding white frame with gray mesh. Once again, if you're interested buying this Sihoo m57 ergonomic chair, our links is in our description box below. Now, I will teach you how you can adjust this ergonomic chair based on your preferred height or preferred position. To adjust the backrest, just pull the lock in its aluminum base. This allows you to move from 90 to 120 degrees back position. To adjust the height of your armrest, pull up the switch located under it. For its rotation, simply twist the armrest. For the front and rear adjustment, hold the armrest and pull or push to your desired position. For the lumbar support, just pull it up or push it down to your desired height. You can also twist the knob if you want to adjust its depth. Counterclockwise to push it forward and clockwise to pull it backward. To adjust the height of the overall chair, twist the knob located in the aluminum base. To increase the height, release some weight and twist the knob forward. To decrease the height, put some weight and twist the knob forward as well. I really love how flexible this ergonomic chair is. It suits my workflow and inspires me to finish my work for the day. It's so comfy that I don't want to leave my desk and just stay there either for work or for leisure purposes. Whenever I feel tired, I just lean back and rest for a bit. Its mesh body made the chair breathable and provides a comfortable feeling despite the very hot weather here in the Philippines. I usually work for 8 hours straight and I don't experience sweating too much and having back problems. I do stretch while sitting, but compared to the chair that I have back then, this is a life changer. Plus, whenever I play guitar, I just adjust the armrest backward and rotate outwards to prevent it from hitting the instrument. So that's our video for today, guys. Before we end this video, I would like to answer some questions from our Instagram and Facebook story. So nag-post nga ako kagabi kung ano yung mga gusto nyong malaman and I hope na nasagot yon ng video na to. And also sabi dito ni Kate, which is pinsan ko, sabi niya, yung comfort niya sa back po, lalo na sa may back problem po. I think makakatulong sa inyo to kasi since mesh type siya, hindi siya lumalaban sa likod nyo and also yung lumbar support, na-adjust nyo kung saan siya para maging ma-straight yung posture nyo. Kasi once na-feel siya ng likod nyo, talagang magkakaroon kayo ng parang mapapastraight talaga yung likod nyo. So, I think it will help you. Sana hindi ako too hard sell, but I really love this ergonomic chair. Siguro dahil first time ko rin nagkaroon ng ganitong chair. And based dun sa mga reviews, sabi nga, wag daw yung sa mga leather na chair kasi medyo mainit nga dito sa Pilipinas, which is, I think, tama yung decision na ginawa ko. Sabi din ni Dra Bailon, comfy in long working hours. I think yes, kasi since matagal talaga kapag nag-edit or kapag nanonood ka ng movie, never ako naka-experience ng talagang ayoko na dito sa chair na to. So, I think pwede to for long hours of working. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina sa video. Sabi ni David Arahan, gaano ka kuya kabilis inantok sa sobrang... Hindi naman ako inantok, pero once na kunwari gusto ko lang magpahinga or gusto ko lang maging out of the zone, yun, ina-adjust ko lang yung back. Ayan, hihiga lang ako for a while, siguro around 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and that's it. Talaga nakakapag-boost din siya ng energy or while drinking a coffee, yan. Sobrang comfy niya that it will let you work nang hindi napapagod yung likod and yung puwet nyo. Sabi naman ni Nicole Pineda, paano pag masagasaan mo yung dog? Actually, muntik na siya one time. Buti, nakita ko yung buntot niya, so hindi naman siya masyadong nasaktan. And ayun, advice ko lang na before you move, if meron kayong mga pet sa bahay, so just look around first before you move your ergonomic chair. Sabi din dito ni Faith, how much po? So just chat Kelvin ko kasi nagbabago yung price niya since sobrang in demand niya. So sabi nga sa economics, the higher the demand, the higher the price. Pero hindi naman to over 10,000 pesos. I think 8,000 pesos na budget it will fit the Sihoo m57. More or less. Sabi din dito ni Trina, ganda yan. Syempre maganda, kaya nga natin ginawa ng video. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you in your buying decision kung bibili ba kayo ng gaming chair over an ergonomic chair. So for me, I'll go with the ergonomic chair given our weather, our climate. So here in the Philippines, sobrang init ngayon. So kahit ngayon wala akong electric fan na naka-open para lang maging clear yung audio, and ayan, tagaktak na talaga yung pawis ko kung hindi nyo lang napapansin siguro. Pero yun, sobrang init, but this chair, hindi niya ako binigyan ng sticky feeling sa pag-upo like the leather ones. So this might help you in buying your first ever ergonomic or working chair. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Once again, I'm Geronimo, and if you want to learn more about photography, videography, editing, and vlogging, consider clicking the subscribe button. And also, if this video helped you a lot, don't forget to click the like and share button. If you want to support this channel and me creating more videos in the future, we do have our Buy Me a Coffee site link in our description box below. Yan, i-click nyo lang po yan, and malaking tulong na po yan sa channel na ito. Once again, that's all for today. This is Geronimo. See you on my next one. Bye. Peace.